Hey friends, this is Casey Ann Reynolds, wellness and longevity coach in the Nashville area. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to make an easy peasy recipe that will boost your testosterone, lower your estrogen, and be high protein and part of the Mediterranean keto diet. So please click on that video so you can learn more about the health benefits and what to eat on the Mediterranean keto diet. I have created a series about how to boost your testosterone naturally. So click on that video also, and it's going to give you lots of helpful hints that you can use in your everyday life to boost your testosterone. So I'm going to give you a short recap why you need to boost your testosterone. As we get older, past the age of 40, 50, 60, and continuing, your testosterone will just naturally decline. For most women, even past the 40, you will actually stop producing any testosterone at all. And so that's why we notice for women that as we enter that stage, the perimenopause stage and then menopause, is you feel sluggish, it's harder to build muscle mass, you're just putting on that belly fat. And it really is your hormones. It's what's happening to you is you're not producing testosterone. You're over producing estrogen-like compounds that are creating belly fat, and the belly fat creates more estrogen, and it's just this crazy wheel of hormonal imbalance. So let's get rebalanced, and we're gonna lose that belly fat. Look at me, I am 55 years old. I am in a bodybuilding competition. I've never tried that before. It's been going amazing and great. I'm at my smallest weight ever and my most muscular weight ever. So I hope I'm living proof that you can do this. So short recap, these are just the foods that you should try to incorporate to boost testosterone. So I'm gonna show you a meal that I, as a single mom, would make for my sons. My son is a power lifter, so I must have fed him right. I think he squats 585 and he did win state in wrestling. And this was my little go-to meal as a busy single mom of 3 teenage boys. So to boost your testosterone, eggs, I'm gonna include that. Avocado, yes. Lean meat, there's turkey or ground chicken, whichever you prefer. Berries, you could eat those on the side. Mushrooms, there is a recipe for the stuffed portobello mushrooms, love that, and shrimp. It's the only thing I'm really not gonna incorporate. And we're also going to add some flaxseed. Alrighty, so let me show you this quick and easy peasy recipe. It's just me that I'm cooking for right this moment, but typically I might double the recipe, okay? So I'm just gonna start off with, and all of these recipes are on my blog, caseysketo.com. You can just pull them up on your phone as you're going through the grocery store to buy any of the ingredients that you might need. So definitely I hope that you find that helpful. So there's some ground chicken, a pound, or ground turkey, okay? I had rather small avocados, so I did 2 small avocados. An organic egg, we're just gonna put that guy in there. Have a little teeny bit of shell. Alrighty, now the cheese is just whatever, this kind of like whatever is in your refrigerator at the moment, and cheese is not essential, just, you know, everything's better with cheese. So this happened to be some Chipotle cheddar that I had in my refrigerator. I just wanted to use it up before it went bad. So just take a handful or 3/4 of a cup. Just don't have to be very precise with the cheese. Alrighty, so I'm gonna add a tablespoon of flaxseed just to kind of give it more testosterone boosting power. So just, and for my side dish, I am going to boil up some broccoli. Just, you wanna blanch your broccoli. It doesn't have to be overly cooked. I just pretty much eat broccoli with every meal for the dinner time. Just boil it for say 2 or 3 minutes, olive oil, I like it in a little mustard container. Then I'm just going to add some vegetable McCormick seasoning. So that's just what I do. It's easy peasy. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of flaxseed. Alrighty, I'm gonna do a teaspoon of my pink Himalayan salt. Make sure you're using the pink Himalayan salt because we wanna avoid plastics, because plastics are definitely something that mess with your system and lower your testosterone. So avoid plastics. I like mine a little spicy, so this would be, if you like this or not, but I think a little cumin is just super yum in these guys. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of cumin. Alrighty. Just to get them to form into the turkey burgers, I'm going to go ahead and use about a 1/3 cup of almond flour. So these obviously are gluten-free. Alrighty, so I've got those ingredients in the bowl. Now I am going to saute them up in olive oil. And you can see that lovely result right there. They're just so yum and delish. I used to keep, as a single mom, I would keep a big bag of these, and my sons would just microwave them for a minute, and we love starchy mayo. That's like our favorite thing in the world, and just put some starchy mayo on them. It's just so yum to have those as a little snack. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix up these bad boys right here and put them on a plate. Now you could also air fry them. You could do them on a grill. You just, however you want to cook them. I just find them the easiest way to do it is just in a pan with olive oil, because this is the Mediterranean keto diet. So, you want to just make sure that you're getting your healthy fats from your olive oil. I feel like that's a little bit too wettish. Maybe it was just the turkey I was using, or I think it was ground chicken actually. So use your best judgment. I started off with a 1/3 cup of almond flour, but I'm gonna go ahead and add another 1/3 cup. I generally get about 4 out of a pound. So I'm just going to first off make them into kind of a meatball shape and then just flatten them. Not one had that avocado was not wanting to. So good. I think they're perfect air fried. I don't have an air fryer, but I'm gonna saute them in olive oil. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please click on to the next video that is going to tell you how to do the Mediterranean keto diet.